can feel it coming through the cracks. I can hear it sing through the song of creation. Feel my fingertips painting mirrors at the deeper left when we shatter all that has been and all that will be. Just